Welcome to Java Forum. In this video, I am going to show you how to view the machine info or how to modify the machine info in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. So first I am logging to the terminal as a root user. So I am typing the command hostnamectl. So here you can see the some entries like icon name, chassis name, deployment name, location, etc. Right. So these entries will be available in machine-info file. So it is located in /etc. So this is the machine info. So these are the metadata. Okay, metadata set by the Linux administrator. This does not affect the static entries. You can modify these entries also in machine-info file directly. So instead of going and setting in hostnamectl command, you can modify here directly. So I am changing the location name and deployment name. So now I am executing hostnamectl command. See here, whatever I changed in machine-info file is reflected in hostnamectl command. So hostnamectl set -hostname. So I am going to set the pretty hostname. I am going to set the pretty hostname now. Yes. Hostnamectl command. See here, pretty hostname is got set. Okay, let me check the machine-info file. See here, pretty hostname is got reflected in machine-info file. So you can modify the pretty hostname in machine-info file also. So this machine info is nothing but it's a metadata set by Linux administrator. It does not affect any static host entries. No need to restart any services. This is the way we can view machine info file in AlmaLinux.